Hello and welcome to Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shillong Lajong triumphs in Durand Cup opener. SSA non-teaching staff continue strike demanding pay increase. Taxi Drivers Union honor local karate star Feliza Hujan. And Catholic International Conference on AI begins in Rome. And now the news in detail. Shillong Lajong secured a 1-0 victory over Tribhuvan Army FC in their opening Group F match on the 133rd Indian Oil Durand Cup at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. Wajid Rinklem's 6th-minute strike, a well-placed shot past several defenders, was the only goal of the match. Despite several missed opportunities from Shillong's Hardycliff Nongbri, Everbrighton Sana and Marcos Rudwere Silva, and a strong defensive effort from Tribhuvan Army, the single goal was proved sufficient. Tribhuvan Army's Basan Jimba missed a crucial chance just before half-time, and their counter-attacks were effectively neutralized by Shillong's defense. Shillong Lajong's goalkeeper Manas Dube also made a key save against Jimba's header to maintain the lead. All 133rd Indian Oil Durand Cup matches are being broadcast live on Sony Sports Network and live-streamed on Sony Live.
That's the speed crossing that they're performing. Let's do it for them. This is the technical
Bro, I shoot up.
Boys and girls, this 5-5 step, the national flag in the center, the Indian Army flag on the right, and the Durand Cup flag.
Non-teaching staff of the SSA who staged a 3-day protest at Malki football ground are demanding an 80% salary hike, with senior staff seeking an 82% increase followed by a 5% annual raise. On August 1st, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma met with the group's leaders and agreed to form a committee led by Vijay Kumar, Commissioner and Secretary of Education, to review the demands. However, the meeting on the 2nd of August between Kumar and the SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association, led by President Jennifer Sindram, failed to produce a resolution. Sindram criticized the government's response as insufficient and confirmed that the strike will continue until the demands are met.
Expected outcome, but ni ru kung member ni mun. Namar malay, nimpat namar kadibandan kat kat kum ketom some reference ni Peit gitu point ni film cover gitu point ti kalong waste of time ngi ru kalong use ta som manset ni ko committee tingi ru kum ka association hi bangim perpau bangim hun ya kan ka bangia wan mentas ni hoi ki ong ngin shong biang ngin shong kan no sin ngin shong adin chip dai to menta ki khat sa chi sin hala sni thursday ka tayo kan wan ti menta ngin wan biang chani ka wi ka sni kan wan kan shim banai ni ar banai ni lai banai ni kim tip ya kata tin ri ngi kat bapat yo hi ka demand jungi ka 40% kata ka 100% ba tak R% hi ni ngim ya pra nang teng ngin ya sit in demonstration baik ka agitation jungi kan continue baik thadu bangin dala ayo ta ki demand jungi bro khandia kan ka kam khandia ka di bangin pen pra no ngi ngim ko ban pen pra ngi na mar ngi da jin jar ngi form kan ni ngan batai pi press ngapat batai hi re do ne beling form kan ka association ni form kan ka association na mar balai hakpor arjar arpho hakapor ar hajar arpho bon ki member jungi ki bayo ya ka kam kum ki CRC ki BRC ki block ki ekto hiyo ya ka kam covid duty dan PPE dan anything ki hable covid duty ki hable collect ki PGI ki hable kini kitai kilet banet cebrok ki jaka house to house visit nang ta idon na preng jungi ki ba khlat no so kia ban oya ta kumasan rengut ki khlat na ma bele video ya ta jingpang tina kata ka daw dina covid ki pangayu tu kim tip show na ma bele ki da trip kam shitam pala ti ngile akom nung inform ni association di ban agitate te ndi bangin wan chani agitation inform ni association ke di belai mengi sos nei te ki jayeng ngilumi pisah kan dia kan kat bangi don a na para member itu ki pisah bangi yo pan ni patch association sai sha ki tu ki yeng ki sam yo pita nama don tek tek yeng ki sam ba sole member mo earning member mo pa ne ka kami ne te tek tek idi kimi tek tek idi pa majority kumbalai ngot songot ni idi ki pa juga yeng tina kata kadau kinalor ki di ki ba besai ka
Feliza Hujan, who recently secured third place at the 8th International Karate Championship in Kolkata, was honored by the unions of taxi drivers from Shillong, neighboring areas, and the Interstate Bus Terminal (ISBT). The ceremony took place at the Taxi Association office in Mawyong Rim, where Kmenlang Khongla, president of the Urban and Suburban Taxi Drivers Union, was the chief guest. Feliza, daughter of Mrs. Shimtibahun Hujan and Mr. B.L. Nongsit, has gained recognition not only for her achievements but also for her family's contributions to the local community. Her father, a taxi driver and president of the Mawyong Rim Taxi Drivers Association, was commended for his support. Khongla encouraged fellow taxi drivers to inspire their children to pursue and showcase their talents, as Feliza Hujan has done, bringing pride to her village and Meghalaya.
Karate ngajok bronze medal ha international karate champion ha Kolkata ngai ma anu ngikam beli bala long hari kami mengajok nika international ya anu ipa imelu ibala pen yang ada bangan dapur hidup Kolkata ndai Hindi iba yang bet dari hiyo syudan bayarap hindi sa may pa bayo masyubala te anda nang aku belairo ini sijuk nongnya taksi kinong hikayo ba hikaya nga ada bangan dapoy haka jinjab kiting ero kidan bajab the Bosco dia job ni dan sangat bronze artillery silver lightly sangat gold artillery silver lightwood bronze tadi nama Meghalaya ni lakum Arpongut langut kinong hikai dan iwe nangi nong hikai bayal kunlai kami ka international taru im job ya kaya ni ndai iya kun hado lairan ndai kadang banyo ya madan makade all India te ka jenjal banyo banyo job tang lairan te i hado sau sanra banyo yu buron sur gol hado khaar na shkoram ponta hi
thì anh nghĩ là cái lem cái sen cái giống ý cái sen cái sinh chụp cái nó thì sọt khắp sọt thì nghĩวันนี้พอวันเรียบรวมมันก็รวมที่เฮปฟิลิซาคาร์บอนอีวันนี้โย่ไอ้cáiชิ้นจบหากกระดังกับอะไรไอ้cáiชิ้น
The Catholic International Conference on Artificial Intelligence (AI) commenced in Rome on August 1st and will run until August 7th. Reverend Father Michael Makri, Managing Director of Don Bosco Media Network from Shillong, is among the over 160 global delegates attending the event. The conference themed Shaping Tomorrow reflects Pope Francis' vision to explore AI's benefits and challenges. Last year, Father Makri participated in the World Youth Day in Portugal to promote global Catholic youth engagement. The opening ceremony featured Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, newly elected by Pope Francis, and a past visitor to Shillong, and Reverend Father Fabio Pasqualetti, who delivered a keynote on the introduction of artificial intelligence in social media in this age. The Salesian Order's missionary leaders are actively contributing to the discussions. A devastating accident occurred on the early morning of 2nd August on the Jengjal-William Nagar highway, 30 kilometers from Tura, resulting in the deaths of 3 people. A speeding goods-laden truck veered off the road and collided head-on with an auto rickshaw amid rainy, wet conditions. The impact was severe, trapping the auto's occupants driver Mohan Di Sangma and passengers Carolina Di Sangma and Sli Di Sangma inside the wreckage, where they perished before rescue teams arrived. The truck driver fled the scene following the crash. The victims were residents of Watigre village. Authorities are investigating the incident and searching for the truck driver. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.